Hi, my name is Akino. I'm a YouTuber and a recipe developer specializes in Japanese cooking and baking. I had run a pastry shop for more than 20 years and I used to teach at my baking class for more than 15 years before starting YouTube. In this course, you will learn how to make a perfect shokupan, which is the most popular bread in Japan. Shokupan is also known as Japanese milk bread. It is very popular on the internet, and it's one of the most popular videos on my YouTube channel. Shokupan is the most eaten bread in Japan. It is very fluffy and bouncy and so moist. You can find shokupan at anywhere in Japan. The grocery store has factory made. The fresh baked bakery sells their special. Although I am eating shokupan almost every day, but never get bored. It can be eaten toasted, sandwiched, or as it is because it's so delicious. Once you taste it, you can't stop eating. I make this course because I have received so many questions about how to bake the perfect shokupan. Those questions are mostly from beginners, but also from professional bakers who want to open shokupan bakery in their country. So I decided to put each and every question together and make a detailed shokupan course here on Udemy. I'm sure it is helpful either you are a beginner or are experienced. You will become an excellent baker after finishing this course. I'm going to be starting with the very basics of the bread baking. In the following lectures, you will have an ebook, everything you need to know about the bread baking. And then I will walk you through every step to make a perfect shokupan in the video. When you have finished this course, you will have a confidence to make a perfect shokupan, and also you will be ready for more advanced bread baking. I can't wait to start the lesson. So let's get started.